be doing cinnamon challenge.
Cinnamon challenge.
We got our spoons. Yeah, cinnamon. Are you ready?
I guess so.
It smells pretty good. Okay. Oh, do you want to see me put this on there? Just so we know we're doing it. Now, I don't know how much we're supposed to put on there, so just, oh, okay. Cinnamon.
We're gonna do that.
Whoops.
Wow, it fell in the sink.
Oh, that's okay. So, we're gonna go at the same time.
We got a full spoon.
Okay, here we go. Are you ready, Dummy? I've done this before, but I just don't remember very clear. How about we do spit up in these? I don't want to spit in the sink, okay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ew.
We're good.
Oh my god. That was bad. I gotta stop laughing now.
I almost swallowed it, but it didn't go down.
That's pretty gross. Anyway, we gotta go now.